my co-host, our one and only Miss World 2013, Megan Young!
Good evening, South Cotabato! Kamusta kayong lahat? Of course, happy Silver Pinalak Festival, South Cotabateños, and let it be known to the whole wide world that we are celebrating the 58th founding anniversary, of course, the 25th Pinalak Festival. But first and foremost, hello, asawa ko.
Hello, asawa! Kamusta ka na? Bakit napakaganda natin tonight?
Ibang look natin tonight, medyo sexy lang ng konti.
Okay, ito yung first and final kiss ko para sa'yo. Good luck to us. May sound effects pa tayo dyan.
May sound effects pa. But of course, we're very excited to be here in South Cotabato dahil iba talaga ang